Hey guys, it's Air from Yugatech, and today we're at the launch of the OPPO Reno10 5G series, as you can see here. And it's just been launched and they're now available in the Philippines. This is comprised of the base Reno10 5G, the Reno10 Pro 5G, and the Reno10 Pro Plus. The Reno10 5G starts at 23,999 pesos, and there's also the Reno10 Pro 5G, which retails for 29,999 pesos. And there's also the Pro Plus, which retails for 39,999 pesos. It's the most expensive one, but you do get a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset and more. So if you want to know more about these, you can go to the OPPO Philippines website or their social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and their TikTok, and also Lazada and Shopee if you want to buy one. So that's about it for me, and this has been Asen. I'll catch you guys in the next video.